We're in New York. Well, actually, we're not. These were taken in November 2023. No, 2022 was the last time I was over. But we'll be back this October the 5th. We're doing a one-day Dare street photography workshop in New York City. Yeah, Manhattan. So let's have a look what we got here. Should we run it as a slideshow? Man, I love New York. Do New Yorkers have that thing, the way that us outsiders look at New York? Very cinematic, for obvious cliche reasons, yes, which is we just grew up, us Brits especially, watching movies from the States, right? But I just love New York. It's my favourite city to shoot photography, to shoot street photography. And I've shot a lot of cities, a hell of a lot of cities. And, well, I've shot a good few. I actually find it easier to shoot New York. I've been over about 5 times and shooting street photography probably 3 times. I used to be a wedding photographer, so I shot quite a few weddings in the States. Never shot a wedding in New York. I was over in, I was shooting in Rhode Island. I've shot California as well, but I think the second wedding I shot in Rhode Island, then we did the trip to New York. For me, what's important when I'm shooting any city is to shoot the people, rather than think, oh, I've got to get the city in, I've got to get this part of the city in, oh, I love that, let's try and maneuver a street frame here. For me, that's not part of the deal. I'm shooting people, and then the city, however it falls in, is fine, is good. But it's like no other city, right? You have to be there you have to have visited it and experienced it to get it, I think. I got a few friends. I spoke to my friend Josh, who's a New Yorker, about that. Like, how do you see, like you guys who live here, do you get that kind of a cinematic? Because it is like being in a movie. It feels like that. Like I said, yes, because of the movies, but it just has this cinematic quality. Do I even know what that means? Cinematic quality. I don't know. That word resonates with what I'm trying to hint at, what I'm pointing to. Coney Island as well. We got the train out there, and it was deserted. Obviously, it's winter, but I kind of liked it for that. I just, it just, like the contrast between being in Manhattan most of the time and then heading out for a little quiet time to Coney Island. But yeah, like I said, we're heading out in October for the Dare workshop. We've got a handful of people in already. We're still a couple of months out, so 10 people. Because we're coming to the end of this slideshow. But I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, the reason I'm doing this slideshow is because I'm not here. I'm actually in St. Lucia, a couple of weeks holiday with the kids and Katie, obviously. And I didn't want to let you guys down. I wanted to have something to post. So this has been scheduled in. I'll put a link in the show notes for the workshop. But you can access it through my workshops on my website at lashmarcreative.com. And yeah, I've scheduled another YouTube video in, probably similar to this, for next Wednesday as well, 5 p.m. And the following week, we'll be back at it. I'll be back. So yeah, great guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. And oh guys, don't forget to check out also my zine, The Way of the Street Photographer, and my preset, which is for the RICOH camera. I'm gonna be dropping a whole mixed bag of presets over the next over the next few months, which is, there's going to be something for everyone. But do check it out. Go to my homepage, lashmarcreative.com, and follow the signposts. Cheers, guys. Out.